Chapter 14 Fair Division. Before we read, their three brothers wanted to follow the last wish of their father, but it was very difficult for them. A saint solved their problem with ease. How did he do it? Let's read the lesson and learn. In ancient time, there lived a merchant in Baghdad. He was very rich and had a caravan of 17 camels. He put his goods on their backs and traveled to other towns. The merchant had three sons named Hussein, Hassan, and Karim. All the three sons were polite, gentle, and obedient. They helped their father in business management. Once the merchant fell ill. His sons arranged for the best treatment, but the father showed no sign of recovery. Now the merchant was very sad. He called his sons and told them, "My dear sons, I am very happy with your harmony and sincerity to one another. All of you have served me sincerely, but I am afraid you might fight out after my death."
No, never. We will never quarrel.
All the three sons answered in a single voice. The merchant looked at his sons and said, "My sons, it is human nature to quarrel for the sake of property. So I have divided all my property amongst you. Hussein, being the eldest, will inherit half the number of camels. Hassan, being the second one, will get 1/3, and Karim, being the youngest, will get 1/9 of the camels. After my death, distribute the camels in this manner." The sons promised their father to do so. After some days, the merchant breathed his last. The three sons were sad. They completed all the rituals properly and sat down to divide the property. There was no problem in sharing the land and cash, but a severe problem cropped up when it came to camels. As the merchant had advised them, Hussein was to get half of the 17 camels. Now the problem was how to get 8.5 camels. After thinking a lot, Hassan suggested that Hussein should be contented with 8 camels. That would make the further division easy. But Hussein refused to accept less than his promised share. Now Karim suggested a new way. "Let us sell off 1 camel first and share the proceeds in a fair manner. I think the remaining 16 will pose no problem of distribution." The discussion went on for several days with no solution. None accepted the suggestion that came from the others. This generated heat and they came on the verge of quarreling. While the three brothers were quarreling, a saint passed by. He saw them and said, "Are you all out of your senses? Don't you know that it is bad to quarrel over a trifle? Anger is the root of all evils." Hearing these words of the saint, Hussein said angrily, "Excuse us, Baba. We don't really want to quarrel, but we are in trouble and we see no solution to our problem." "May I know the problem you have been facing?" the saint said to them. The brothers told him the whole story. The saint listened to them with great attention. Then he smiled and said, "Why do you bother so much? It's a very simple problem." The three brothers looked at him with curiosity. "I shall give you my camel, and then you can easily distribute the camels according to your father's wish." The saint said,
Thanks for the offer,
But we can't take your camel, all the brothers said in one voice. The saint again said, You need not worry. I have large number of camels. One camel less will make no difference to me. I would not be poorer with Allah's blessing. Seeing no way, they agreed to accept the offer. Adding one more camel started working out the share of each one of them. They had now 18 camels, out of which Hussein took 9, Hassan 6, and Karim 2. After the division, the brothers were greatly surprised to see that the saint's camel was still left. The saint smiled again and took back his camel. He left the place with his parting advice. Always remember, quarreling is sheer foolishness. The members of a family should live in peace and harmony. This is the key to happy life. Glossary: merchant, trader, caravan, group, convoy, recovery, revival, harmony, agreement, concord, sincerity, honesty, genuinely, property, assets, inherit, own, become heir to, distribute, divide, breathed his last, died, expired, ritual, rites, customs, cropped up, arose, contended, happy, proceeds, earning, pose, create, on the verge of, nearly, on the point of, trifle, small thing, bit.